Hello folks, today is the 25th of November and this is also the first day that Sony sells the A74 Mark IV. I'm really happy that I'm proud of it. People may have this camera on December or maybe the end of December or the early January 2022, but I'm lucky I'm in Hong Kong, so I'm happy to share this unboxing video. Well, it is already unboxed as you can see. So here, well, these are the two lenses that you use most: the color side scanner, 58:2 Bauer design, and this one is the size 35:2.8 Sony lens. Oh, so here, as you can see, there are some instructions menu, and then the USB cord, and there is a battery only. So what I know is that there should be two batteries, but I don't know why my package is just one battery, and I may ask Sony later. Anyway, so these are the power options. So no matter you are in UK or this is UK, no matter you are in US or other countries, they are you can all use different power cords. And this is the adapter, and yeah, the USB cable, and this is the strap as you can see, and this is the body. Mind you that this strap is mine. This pig design strap is mine. It is not included in the package. So for my experience, that will be in part 2. I will talk more about what I feel after I use the camera for the first 30 minutes. That's it for this video. Thank you.